Hello everyone, I'm Wenbo. It's a great pleasure to meet you all at the UTech Exhibition Hall. Many people are very interested in our ZPRO. Today I'll give you a detailed introduction to this machine. ZPRO is a high-performance digital and multifunctional engraving machine launched by UTech, which is equipped with high-precision spindle, the industrial-grade CCD camera, and 150-watt oscillating knife and auto tool change function. It can realize various functions, including engraving, cutting, and automatic edge tracking, etc. ZPRO adopts 4 kilowatts, 40,000 RPM water-cooled spindle, which has high precision and high stability. The industrial-grade CCD camera and high-frequency oscillating knife have high detection accuracy, fast processing speed, strong anti-interference ability, safe material waste, very few product samples, and safe and stable operation. The X-axis gantry and Y-axis column are both made of all aluminum materials. This not only achieves lightweight design, but also ensures the overall machine has good strength. Its maximum running speed can reach 100 meters per minute. This not only guarantees the processing quality, but also significantly shortens the processing time, effectively improving production efficiency. The front end of the equipment is equipped with an automatic tool sensor and a concealed tool magazine, which have 8 tools and can support precise engraving of complex patterns. This not only enhances the flexibility of processing, but also reduces manual intervention, facilitating the realization of automated production. The working area of the showcased model is 1300 times 2500 millimeters. It's equipped with multi-zone vacuum with T-slot table, which can fully meet your diverse processing requirements. If you have needs for processing larger sized material, we also can support customizing different specifications of solutions. So, if you and your team are interested in ZPRO, please contact us at any time. We will give you the most suitable customized solutions based on your specific requirements. That's all about ZPRO. Thank you all for watching. I'm Wenbo. Looking forward to seeing you next time.
UTech. Do nothing or do the best.